morning. Welcome to Tuesday Ainsley News. Crypto Tuesday, of course, 16th of March. Today we're talking Bitcoin and how it's hit an all-time high of $79,400. That's Aussie dollars, of course. Bitcoin hit a fresh all-time high over the weekend, almost doubling its price so far in 2021. It took a few attempts to break the psychological 60K USD barrier, but when it did breach it, it did it in spectacular fashion. While Bitcoin has seen major points of resistance over the past years, the coin has steadily continued to climb in value ever since its crash in 2018 and 19, with 2021 seeing it raise in value sharply, increasing more than 300%. However, the success during 2021 is not limited to Bitcoin, as the entirety of the crypto market has experienced increased values and investments from individuals and organizations around the world. While Bitcoin continues to rocket, just last night it provided us with a 12% cool off. Hardly anything for a flinch for any crypto veterans out there who have been through years of sudden 30% pullbacks. This could be used as an opportunity to top up your Bitcoin bags. Ever-increasing concerns about inflation appear to be driving market participants to Bitcoin. According to surveys, nearly $40 billion of the latest round of stimulus checks in the US would be spent on BTC and the stock market, continuing the behavior that we've been seeing for the last few months. This behavior, alongside incredible institutional investment, has solidified Bitcoin as the best performing asset of the last year and the last decade. Little chart here, just so you can see a breakdown of asset class total returns over the last 10 years. This information, compiled by Mr. Telamis on Twitter, shows that over the last decade, Bitcoin's annualized returns were 230.6%. About 210% higher than the entirety of the Nasdaq 100 and other asset types. We have been here before. Dizzying highs and lows are not a new phenomenon for Bitcoin. However, the cryptocurrency is now finally gaining institutional support, which eluded it for a long time. The pandemic certainly helped. During the widespread lockdowns, online commerce and payments ballooned, increasing interest in digital currencies exponentially. Bitcoin has always been volatile, but the past year has shown that every asset class can be wobbly in an uncertain environment. Just look at the Nasdaq in the last few weeks. Here's that chart here showing the Nasdaq. Bitcoin has always been regarded as an interesting store of value due to the ultimate ceiling of 21 million tokens or coins and the difficulties in mining it, but its wider acceptance in bringing a sense of credibility and stability that was missing. Despite the short-term blip on what looks to be Bitcoin's meteoric long-term rise, many investors and analysts still consider the cryptocurrency a buy. This makes the current dip a great chance to load up on more Bitcoin investments to get your foot in the door if you haven't already. This is all the more reason to make a long-term investment. Of course, you want to buy it for the lowest price possible today, but even if you overpay just slightly and hold it for years, Bitcoin appreciates as many expect it to. A few $1,000s here and there on the price you bought it will be the last thing on your mind. And that's a nice, quick, short, sharp news today. Thanks for that bit of interesting movement there from BTC last night. Remember ainsleywealth.com.au if you're interested in cryptocurrencies. ainsleyBullion.com.au for the physical stuff, gold, silver, platinum, and goldsilverstandard.com for our own cryptocurrency built and backed by gold and silver. We'll catch you tomorrow for more news.